Hello everyone, this is Minh. Today video I would like to show you how to generate sequence number from 1 to 10,000 or whatever number you want first in Excel with 3 different ways. Okay, for example, first one you can just type 1 and 2 and drag. This is flat fill and it takes you long time to do that. So second method, just type 1 and go to home menu and then click fill, series, and then choose column right here and start number and n, for example 10,000. Click OK and then you got it right very fast. Another way, we use formula. So we just type sequence. We use sequence formula and we have row. So we want 10,000, comma, and then column we don't need, start we don't need, stop we don't need, and then just like this. Or you can see the formula up there. Okay, just enter. Okay, too many arguments there. Okay, see, we got that. What if you have something like this and you want to like that too? If you want to know how to type this in laptop or desktop, check link in the description. Okay, so let's do that. Let me drag here. So I got this number already, so we can do equal. We take this one and press F4 on keyboard, or you just type the sign and this sign. Okay, and then we need space. Okay, and then and if you don't need space, just delete this. And then our formula sequence and 10,000, for example, column, start, and stop. We don't need it. Just close it, and boom. See what you got. So if you check something here at the top, NO, for example, like this, it will go like that. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you next time.